In this video, I'll show you how to set up reminders in Slack step by step. First, open Slack and log into your account. Go to the channel or direct message where you want to create the reminder. In the message box, type the command /remind followed by your reminder text. For example, type "Remind me to check the report at 3 p.m. After typing the command, press Enter to create the reminder. Slack will confirm the reminder and notify you at the scheduled time. You can also set reminders for specific dates, times, or recurring schedules. Another option is clicking on a message, opening the message options, and selecting Remind Me About This. Then choose the time when you want Slack to send the reminder. Reminders help you stay organized and keep track of important tasks.